Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alamin, Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alamin, Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alamin. Finally, the last priming in Bandajuma, Liberia border. Finally, the priming today is the last priming in Yirikenda to 150 meters which left. There was a big stone here, and the stone take us almost 2 years. We are blasting it, but finally now we don't we don't dominate it. You understand? So now, Imam, you want to say something? Da nga fa am
lu mu bëgg wax dama ko bëgg wax ci olof.
waaw waxal.
sànc bi yàgg na. am na ñoo xam ne dañuy feebar ñu ñëwatuñu. am na xam ne dañuy dee. yàlla yóbbu leen. am na xam ne joxal ñu sànc bi. su la yàlla maye nga liggéey bu sànc bi da nga war sant yàlla. tey nag dañuy sant yàlla bu baax a baax. dañuy ñu se imprégné tey lay fin sànc bi tey lay jeex.
waaw si imprégnation arabe baa ngi ñëw.
arabe baa ngi ñëw
mu ngi ñëw kañ gannaaw suba wala.
dimanche
incha allahu rabbi.
léegi 6 heures moo ñaata.
6 heures. Heure bii nii. What is the time, Ibrahim? 6 how much? 6:41.
6 heures 41 moo jot instant yii nii. dañuy dem nag ñibbi après noppalu añ sax defuñu ko. pour rek mu jeex. yàlla nañu yàlla may leneen lu gën li.
Amin, 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 amin.
Merci beaucoup.
What Imam was trying to say, he's praising. He said, some people start the work with us and they sick. Some people pass away. You understand? That is, God's will. So we cannot deny the fact that what God has already decided. So we are just praying for them. And we, whom you know that we are here, you understand, we do nothing to God, or we don't do any work for God, which God make us to leave us here. But he is praising God and thanking God also, Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alamin, that finally today is the last priming day for this section here in Yirikenda. So that is what he is trying to say. So thank you very much. Jarama Mustafa Sow from the laboratory.
Imam.
Imam.
Allah jaramon jaram yetti min jitti Allah hani feewi min fuddini bismillahir rahmanir rahim min gayni alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin sancio ɓooyi juuti muusi kono Allah waɗi hande gasi yettere Allah yettama hani feewi Allah jaram on jaram
yeah. But saying this thing doesn't mean that we finally finished the road working. No. But the main highway we are talking about, this 100 meter.
350.
300, earlier on I say 150 meters, but it is 350 meters, so which has left in the road. So today we finish it. But it left asphalt, and Sunday we are going to put coal tar, how they call it in Creole, coal tar, asphalt. We are going to pay